welcome to English class broadcast by our Bangala High School, and the class is taking I, Mrs. Shobita Sarkar, Lado Bangala High School, Dakot Khulna. Dear students, I think you all are well, keeping your home hale and hearty in this corona period. But it is a matter of sorrow that a long time you have been detached from your teaching and learning activity because of epidemic COVID-19. Thinking this, our government has decided taking the class, continuing the teaching learning activity with online system. Our school has been included before with this system. Now, today I am taking you a class in its second part. Dear students, we speak directly, sometimes indirectly. Directly speech means when a speaker speaks or expresses something as such as a person says without changing. This is direct speech. And when a person speaks something changing or does not say as same as the person says, it is indirect speech. অর্থাৎ আমরা যখন কোনো বক্তার কথা হুবহু বলি, কোনো পরিবর্তন না করে, এটা ডিরেক্ট স্পিচ। আর যখন আমরা কোনো বক্তার কথা পরিবর্তন করে, হুবহু না বলে পরিবর্তন করে বলি, সেটা হলো ইনডিরেক্ট স্পিচ। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, I think you understand what I am going to teach you today. Narration. Okay, today I am going to teach you narration. You know it is a long part, long chapter. So I am teaching you part by part, step by step. You also know passage narration is included in our syllabus, but when we don't practice simple narration, we cannot understand clearly and we cannot practice passage narration. Dear students, I hope you will always stay with me while I am teaching, taking your notebook and a pen and note down the important points. Dear students, so at first Students, you note down the points. Some general rules of narration, rules of changing tenses in person, and rules of expression, time and place. Have better idea of sentence. Next, I shall write down the short rules of changes tense. So short rules of changes tenses verb 1, verb 2, verb 2 থাকলে had plus verb 3, have us থাকলে had থাকলে had been, am is a, was a, had been, shall will, should বা would, must থাকলে had to. And next, this is the short rules of changes tenses. Next, person. First person, I public, who. Second person, we. Third person, he, they, we. Dear students, this is the rules of changes person. First person I and we, second person you, third person it, she, he, they, Rohit, etc. You note down, also note down this. Now I shall show you a chart of expression. Dear students, I have said to you you have to have better idea of 5 sentences. So now I shall write down in every 5 sentences on the blackboard and change from red to in red according to the rules. Such as she says, I can solve the narrow I can solve the problem. Dear students, this is the reporting verb and this is the reported speech. This is the subject of reporting verb and it is the subject of reported speech. If there is first person, it is said according to the subject of reporting verb. If there is second person, it is said according to the rules of reporting verb. If there is third person, there is no said. So he says, I can solve the problem. From direct to indirect. She says that she can solve the problem. Yes, friends, in every sentences needs some connector and all the reporting verb will be sent in different way in every sentence. Here says reporting verb. It is also said that if the reporting verb is first person, reporting verb is present in indefinite tense, such as verb 1, future indefinite tense, such as shall, oblique will plus verb 1. Present perfect tense. Shall, have, has plus verb 3. If the reporting verb is present indefinite tense, future indefinite tense, present perfect tense, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. So here she says, I can solve the problem. She says that she can solve the problem. Here connector is there. In another sentence, he said to me, I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Here reporting verb is said. He told me that Dear students, here reporting verb is said and takes object. So here we used told. So if the reporting verb takes object, we write down told instead of said. Next, that connector, and this is the present continuous tense. Here person, first person, it would be changed according to the subject. That he, verb 1, verb 2, am, is, or was, are. So here am, we can write down was. He was reading book. This is the assertive sentence, rules of assertive sentence changing narration. Dear students, it is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Father said to me, how do you do the work? This is interrogative sentence. In this sentence, we can write down father asked me how or interrogative sentence is 3 types. Sometimes they are used WS at first, sometimes auxiliary verb at first, and sometimes there can be in tag question. 3 types of interrogative sentence changed into narration. So we can show you 2 types, WS and simple interrogative using auxiliary verb at first. Father asked me how I had done the work. I said to him, do you like to read This is auxiliary verb. This is WH. I asked him if he like to read book. I asked him if he liked to read book. So dear students, in the interrogative sentence, when W is odd is used at first in the reported speech, there no need character. But when the auxiliary verb is used at first, there should be need if বা whether character as a character. So dear students, you have learned in this class 2 sentences, interrogative, assertive and interrogative. And in the next class, I shall teach you another 3 sentences. How we can change it direct to indirect. Today, we have learned about 2 sentences. Now, can you tell any example? I think you can say an example of sentence from direct to indirect, assertive and interrogative. So, no more today. See you again next class, and you will write down at least 3 sentences, assertive and interrogative. You will practice in your home, and your 2 sentences, assertive and interrogative, change from direct to indirect. Thank you very much. Thank you well. See you again. No more today.